First Nations people are the Turrbal and the Yuggera people, and I'd like to also pay my respects to the First Nations people internationally as well. So the program for today is that we have 3 outstanding speakers who are Professor Claire Roger, Dr. Hafiz Abdulaziz, and Ms. Michelle CRE. And after their presentations, we'll have a question and answer session. So our plan is to have the presentations sequentially, and then we'll have the question and answer session thereafter, because for some of the different topics, there's sufficient overlap such that that makes a bit more sense given the topic of today's webinar. My name's Jason Roberts. I'm fortunate enough to be the Director of CRE RESPOND. It's a Centre of Research Excellence based in Brisbane who aims to develop optimised dosing regimens which can prevent the emergence of resistance. And that's really the form of what our research program is. And indeed, educational opportunities like this is an important part of our contribution to the healthcare system and academia, and trying to help develop awareness of the best way to use antimicrobials.